Not ready to share? Save your TikTok video to draft and let your creativity flow. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to save TikTok video to draft. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the TikTok app by tapping the app icon on your device. Make sure you are logged into your TikTok account. Tap the plus icon at the bottom to start a new video. Now either record a video or click a photo. Here you can add effects, music, text or anything creative you want to include. Once you are done recording, tap the next to move to the next screen. Here you will add caption, hashtag and adjust privacy setting before posting. Instead of hitting post, tap the draft option at the bottom left corner. After saving the draft, head to your profile by tapping your profile icon at the bottom right. And you will see the draft section where all your video will be stored. When you are ready to post, simply tap on the draft to continue editing or go ahead and post it. So this is how to save TikTok video to draft. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution.